Paint.
Mr. Pine is holding stuff in Mr. Pine's hand.
Ah. Are you gonna roll this some more?
There's rolling in it.
Yep. Push down hard and it makes it flat. There we go. Whee!
The bears are working with it. The dirt flat. The bears are making the dirt flat. Mr. Pine is holding stuff in Mr. Pine's hand. Mr. Pine's dogging me. Mrs. Gold's cat.
Mr. Pine stepped on Mrs. Gold's cat?
Yeah.
He didn't mean to. It was an accident.
That was accidental. Both of Mr. Pine. The boys are playing ball on the streets.
Hey. Play-Doh comes back over here.
Boys who were playing ball on the streets. When Mr. Pine did not see them. Boy, hit the ball.
So you want to make a triangle in there?
Okay.
Where's your triangle thing? There you go.
Thank you. I made the picture.
It did! Yay!
Mr. Pine smushed it. A boy hit the ball. Mr. Boy hit the ball. Up with the ball. Up. It was home run.
You fall down on Mr. Pine.
Yeah.
Down came the ladder.
Boink. The baseball fell. Boink. Pow. That is the ball on Mr. Pine's hat.
Oh my.
Pow.
Pow.
Down came the ladder.
Mr. Pine tossed it back. The boys tossed it. Mr. Pine is smushing the ball.
Yeah. Good smushing.
The bears rolling it. Well, thank you, bears. You're working with the bears are working with the machines.
Are you a bear?
That one doesn't work.
Should we make a orange bunny or a pink bunny or a purple bunny?
A purple bunny.
Okay. Let's get this nice and flat. Okay, I'm gonna push down hard. Push down really hard. Okay, we lift up.
Purple bunny with a belly.
Yeah, purple bunny with a belly. Yeah, purple bunny with a belly.
It sounds like a belly button.
Yeah.
It's a belly button.
It's a belly button.
Beebo.
Beebo. Where's your Beebo? Where's your belly button? Oh, there it is, that belly button.
Beep. Beep, beep, beep.
Beep, beep.
And some wood too. You're a white bear.
I want a white bear. Okay.
A white bear, 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 bear. Bear, 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 bear. Bear, bear, bear. I made an O.
You did make an O. Hooray.
The boys smushed the ball. It's not a Mr. Pine's hat. It's not a Mr. Pine's hat. The boy made boy. That's a oh.
So you want to make a white bear?
Okay.
Okay. Push down really hard. Okay. What do we got? It's a bear. You want to try again?
Okay.
Let's try on the other side. Oops. Mommy put her knuckles in it. Silly mommy. Okay.
I put nickels in it.
Okay. Push down. I'll push down really hard. Okay. Yay! Hi, bear.
Mommy put nickels in it. I put nickels in the Play-Doh. Silly mommy.
Silly mommy.
Mommy put nickels in it.
Oops. Hi.
And the green doggy.
Not a green doggy.
Get a green doggy from this Play-Doh.
Oh,